Welcome to English Vibes.
How was school today?
It was great. I learned a lot.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I did. It wasn't too hard today.
What do you want for dinner?
Can we have spaghetti tonight?
Did you make any new friends today?
Yes. I met a girl named Emily. She's really nice.
Can you help me set the table?
Sure. I'll get the plates.
What time do you have soccer practice tomorrow?
It's at 4 p.m. Right after school.
Are you excited for the weekend?
Yes. I can't wait to relax and watch movies.
Do you need help with your math homework?
No. I think I got it. But thank you.
Did you remember to pack your lunch?
Oops. I forgot. I'll go do it now.
How was your exam today?
It was tough. But I think I did okay.
What do you want to do this summer?
I'd love to go to the beach and maybe take a road trip.
Did you remember to feed the dog?
Yes. I did it right after school.
What did you do during recess?
We played tag and had so much fun.
Do you need new clothes for school?
Yeah. I think I've outgrown some of my shirts.
Are you nervous about your presentation tomorrow?
A little. But I'm prepared.
How was your time with Grandma?
It was nice. We baked cookies together.
Did you clean your room like I asked?
Yes. But I still need to organize my desk.
What did you learn in science class today?
We learned about the planets. It was really interesting.
Do you have any plans with your friends this weekend?
We're thinking about going to the mall.
Can you please water the plants?
Sure. I'll do it right after dinner.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe a doctor or an artist.
How did you feel about your soccer game?
We didn't win, but I played my best.
What was your favorite part of today?
I loved art class. We painted landscapes.
Are you going to join any clubs this year?
I'm thinking about joining the drama club.
Can you help me bake a cake for Dad's birthday?
Of course. I love baking.
Do you want to watch a movie tonight?
Yes. Can we watch a comedy?
Did you have enough time for lunch today?
Not really. We had to finish early for a meeting.
What do you think of your new teacher?
She's really nice and explains things well.
How's your reading going?
I'm halfway through my book. And it's so good.
Did you walk the dog after school?
Yes. We went to the park.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I really like English because I enjoy reading.
Did you remember to bring your gym clothes?
Yes. I packed them last night.
How was your art project?
It turned out great. I'm really proud of it.
Are you ready for your big test tomorrow?
Yes. I've been studying all week.
What do you want to do for your birthday?
I'd love to have a small party with my friends.
Did you enjoy your time at the park today?
Yes. It was so fun. And the weather was perfect.
Can you help me fold the laundry?
Sure. I'll help right after I finish my homework.
What time does your school bus arrive?
It usually comes around 7:30 a.m.
Did you have any tests today?
Yes. We had a quiz in history.
What are you working on for your next school project?
We're building a model of the solar system.
How was your piano lesson today?
It went really well. I'm getting better at reading music.
Do you need to buy any school supplies?
Yes. I need more notebooks and pens.
Are you excited about the school field trip?
Yes. We're going to the museum. And I can't wait.
How did your speech go in class?
It went well. I wasn't as nervous as I thought I'd be.
What book are you reading right now?
It's a mystery novel. And it's really good.
Did you get enough sleep last night?
Not really. I stayed up a little too late.
Do you want to invite your friends over this weekend?
That sounds fun. I'll ask them.
Can you clean up your art supplies?
Sure. I'll put everything away.
How was your day at Grandma's house?
It was great. We played board games all afternoon.
What are you most looking forward to this weekend?
Sleeping in and going to the movies with friends.